Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll learn how to hide the payment method for customer total spent using the PayRules app. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Customer Total Spent condition. In the blank box that appears, enter your amount you want to set. For this example, we will enter $200. This means any customer who spent less than $200 cash on delivery will be hidden. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Method section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide cash on delivery if the customer spent less than $200. Now let's test our rule. We already have a product called Wooden Spin in the cart, and it costs less than $200. Add customer email. As you can see, cash on delivery is not visible on the checkout page because the customer spent less than $200 in the store. Let's check how much the customer has actually spent in the store. As you can see, the customer spent $0. That's why cash on delivery was hidden. That's its simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!